Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another new releases video. These new releases will be going live May the 24th. So it'll be this Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I know I mentioned in my previous new releases video that I was probably going to move the new releases time to a little bit later, just to give me a little bit more time. Plus there's just a lot of shops that release, that do new releases at 12 noon. So just not to overwhelm anyone, I wanted to just move my time. Secretly, I actually post new releases up at midnight on Thursdays typically. So usually I'm actually recording this video on Thursday. So, and I actually have all the new releases for this week ready to go, all the listing graphics and things like that. So if I get around to it, they may be posted early, but the official time when I announce will be like on my Instagram and things like that will be at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Fridays. Unless something happens and then they go up later on Friday or on Saturday. But you can always follow me on Instagram to check, out any real-time updates as far as new releases go and things like that. Alrighty, so I am going to include the $2 Tuesday releases in this week's video just because they kind of go along with all the new releases for this week. And they're still up in the shop. I won't be taking them down. Basically, the $2 Tuesday, the day will just be the actual day they're released, and then they'll just be up going forward. So you don't have to if you don't get them on Tuesday, they'll be up for forever, basically. Unless I discontinue them or something like that. So anyway, so what came to the shop this week for $2 Tuesday were 4 script texts. No, unfoiled 4 script texts. I did not foil these because I just didn't have the time and whatnot. But anyhow, these do come in a foiled version. So let me zoom in and just make sure we're good in focus. And I'll show y'all all the script texts that came to the shop this week. So study, Starbucks, Target, school, clean, workout, grocery shopping, exercise, scripture, Bible study, date night, and family time. So those are all of the ones that came to the shop. Of course, there were the ones that debuted in the shop pretty much this past Friday because I was supposed to get those up for $2 Tuesday. So there's a bunch of them on the website, but these are the ones that specifically came out this Tuesday. All right, next up, what's going to be actually coming to the shop tomorrow are the larger pages of foil/unfoiled script text. I'm going to add the option just to have these available in black so that if you don't want a foiled version or if you're not into foil, you can actually get these in black as well. So I have planning time, cleaning time, Starbucks run, and Target run. So those are the ones that came to the shop this week, and I decided I would make these on a larger sheet because they're actually larger text. So a lot of times they're 2 words. So you typically find any phrases that are 2 words available in a larger format, and then usually 1-word phrases or words that aren't too long will be available in the $2 Tuesday version. But it kind of just depends. I kind of want to give an option for, if you feel like you need a lot of Target run stickers versus you may only need a few, exercise stickers. So I just kind of want to give that option. So anyway, moving forward, I'm going to zoom y'all back out a little bit so I have some room to show y'all the new releases. So first things first, I did go ahead and add another sheet to the basically monthly budget kit, but this page actually goes with the add-on page. So basically this kind of completes the whole month for you. And I love this little clipboard right here that I added. This is really cute for the sidebar, and I bring my planner in here, but y'all will see when I do the June monthly budget plan with me, y'all will see how I do the sidebar and everything. Basically, I have to have enough either washi in here in full boxes for you to add some half boxes, a little full box, some washi, some washi strips. You can, leave it all together. You can cut it up however you want to do it. But I just want to basically expand the kit and make it a little bit larger so that you could just not do your budget. You could actually plan out your month with it and keep it consistent with the kit. So that is the extra page that was added. I want to go over that first. Next up is the July monthly budget kit and its add-on. So that should let me pull the budget kit up because I had the add-on on the top. So here is the monthly budget kit. It is the same format. I did not make any format changes to it, but I did it in this gorgeous. This is kind of my take on a feminine floral patriotic. So you're getting kind of those red and blue, but it's more like pink and periwinkle. But I felt it was like kind of a little fun take on, kind of July being like 4th of July, Independence Day, but then also it can be used, by anyone if you're not, if you're not United States, if you're not celebrating Independence Day and things like that. So I didn't want to go totally patriotic and things like that. And I didn't want to release more than one because honestly, like for me to print and cut a bunch of them, it just doesn't make sense. And even for regular monthly kits, I don't really see a huge like demand for them. So, and I don't really use monthly kits all that much. I actually just started using them when I started budget planning. So that's why typically I'll really only come out with one version of it, unless like probably during the holidays I'll come out with multiple versions. But if it's not really like holiday time, I most likely won't. But I don't know. I'll let y'all know if I change my mind. But it's the same format as before. But I love the artwork. I love that it's kind of a kind of a slick side take on the holiday, but not really. So that is the July budget kit. And then now I didn't make a change to the add-on. I just took away the year because I felt like, well, I want you to be able to use these kits anytime. And so I just took away the year. And for some reason, like a lot of the fonts I use, I actually don't like the numbers that go with them. So I did take away the 2019 of the year. So if you don't use it this year, you can always use it next year or whenever. So, and I did change the font on the kits as well to just a font that I happen to like better. So that is the July monthly budget kit and its add-on. And then here's that extra bonus page of the budget kit as well. So again, it just kind of goes with how the month is laid out in the Erin Contra Deluxe Monthly Planner. And this is the August budget kit. Y'all, I am in love with this artwork and the way that I used it to put together the kit. The thing about it is it kind of gives you that happy medium between still being very summertime and giving you those summer vibes, like almost like sunset, warm summer days, but also definitely segueing into the fall. It's just a really happy medium between the two. And I just can't believe I found like artwork that I just felt perfectly personified like August and like kind of it being the end of summer, beginning of fall, back to school, things like that. So here is the August monthly budget kit. Again, same format as always. And then I'll show y'all the add-on. Here's the add-on. And I really brought out, the kind of yellow orange and the green in it. So you're kind of getting some of those harvest colors. Then of course, we can never not, showcase the pink. So that is the add-on with your transactions and budget review. And I kept the font the same because I just really like this font. I think it's really pretty. And then this is that bonus page, and that little clipboard is just the cutest. So those are all the new releases for this week, y'all. I hope you like them. They are available in the shop on 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on May 24th, 2019. Like I say, secretly, I'll probably go ahead and post them on Thursday night just to have them out of the way because that's kind of when I prefer to post new releases anyway. That way I can just wake up and answer questions and get started on orders. But if you don't see them up by then they will be up by 2 p.m. So that is all for the video for this week for new releases. Those are all the updates, and that's everything that came to the shop. Again, the $2 Tuesday items don't go away, so you can always pick those up. So thank y'all so much for watching. Please feel free, if you have any questions, to reach out to me at hello@blissandfaith.com or on Instagram at blissandfaith. And thank y'all so much for watching. If you like my content and you want to stick around for some plans me's and some other videos, I would love it if you would subscribe. And yeah, basically until next time, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later.